Imagine healing your body from the inside out, not just for the wounds you can see, but for your overall health, energy, and vitality. What if the key to faster healing wasn't just about what you put on your wound, but what you're doing every day to optimize your body's natural ability to heal? Hi, I'm Nurse Alyssa, and today I'm going to show you how to transform your healing process and optimize your body for faster recovery from the inside out. Healing isn't just about a quick fix, it's about creating an environment in your body that promotes long term health and well being. Whether it's a wound, injury, or even a chronic condition, your body has the incredible ability to heal, but often we're just not giving it the right conditions to do so. In today's world, we face constant exposure to toxins, stress, poor diet, and other lifestyle factors that create a toxin load on our body. This makes it harder for your body to heal properly, but there's good news. Holistic healing is all about restoring balance, optimizing health, and giving your body the best chances to heal, not just today, but for the rest of your life. Let's take a closer look at everyday toxins we're exposed to, from chemicals in our cleaning products, hormone disruptors in our skincare and cosmetics, to pesticides in our foods. These toxins consistently are entering our body. While they may seem harmless on the surface, they're actually putting a huge strain on our organs, particularly our liver and kidneys, which are responsible for detoxifying our system. This toxic overload stresses our body's ability to heal because it increases inflammation, slows our immune function, and puts our detoxification system into overdrive. When we are overloaded with toxins, our body doesn't have the resources it needs to focus on important tasks like wound healing or tissue regeneration. All of these toxins create an inflammatory environment in our body, which makes it so much harder for wounds to heal. Your immune system gets bogged down trying to clear out the toxins instead of focusing on healing or repairing tissues. It's like trying to clean your house while someone keeps dumping more trash on the inside. It just becomes harder and harder to get anything done. So, how exactly do toxins hinder healing? Well, one of the main culprits is inflammation. Toxins trigger an inflammatory response in our body. While a certain level of inflammation is necessary for healing, chronic inflammation caused by ongoing toxin exposure can actually delay wound healing and weaken our immune system. When your body is consistently dealing with toxins, it becomes exhausted. It can't allocate enough energy or resources to the healing process. This means that the body can't repair itself effectively as it could without the toxic load. Additionally, toxins can affect circulation of blood, which means less oxygen and fewer nutrients are being delivered to the wound site, slowing down recovery. So, how do we reduce this toxic load? It's all about making conscious choices. So, we start with what we can control, switching out harmful chemicals and everyday essentials for natural plant-based alternatives. We're going to choose organic foods free from pesticides and replace plastic with glass or stainless steel. The cleaner your environment, the less your body has to work to detoxify. This isn't only for your wound healing, but your long term health too. I do have amazing resources on my website, thewoundconsultant.com, under holistic healing. There's a spot to request more information on the exact way I recommend to simply reduce everyday toxins. Another powerful way to optimize healing is through nutrition. The food we eat provides fuel and building blocks that our body needs to regenerate. Vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, A, zinc, and fatty acids are all essential for wound healing and overall recovery. A balanced, nutrient dense diet rich in antioxidants can help your body fight inflammation and support tissue repair. Foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts, and seeds, they all work together to support your body's natural healing process. If you're interested, I do have my wound healing cookbook linked down below in the description. But there is a reality. Even with the best diet, it's nearly impossible to get all the nutrients you need just through your food alone. Our soil is depleted of nutrients, and many of us live in environments where it's difficult to consume the right amount of essential vitamins and minerals every single day. That's where high quality supplements come into play. Supplements are an incredible tool that bridge the gap between what we're eating and what our body truly needs for optimal healing. I'm talking about supplements like vitamin D, magnesium, vitamin C, and omega-3 fatty acids, each supporting different aspects of wound healing process, from immune function to tissue repair and inflammation reduction. To optimize our body for the best possible outcome, I have available on my website under supplements the exact supplements I suggest to all my clients to encourage wound healing and long-term health. Managing stress and getting quality sleep are other important aspects that contribute to holistic healing. Stress releases cortisol, which interferes with the healing process. By incorporating practices like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing, you can keep your cortisol levels down and in check and support your body's natural healing process. So here's the bottom line. Your body is incredibly capable of healing, but sometimes it just needs a little help. By reducing your toxic load, eating nutrient dense food, and using high quality supplements, you create an optimal condition for faster, more complete healing, not just for today, but for the long term health of your body. Take control of your body's healing process and start today by making small changes that will make a big difference. And remember, healing is a journey. Every choice you make counts, and the power to heal is within you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video does help you on your healing journey. But that's all I have for this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye for now. Don't forget to visit my website, thewoundconsultant.com, for all your wound care needs. Whether you're seeking professional wound care consultations, access to high quality supplements, holistic healing, digital resources, informative books, or high quality wound care supplies, we have everything to support you. Whether you're dealing with a wound or you're a healthcare professional, there's something for everyone. Visit today and take the next step in effective wound care.